How to add Amazon affiliate links to Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking on how you can generate Amazon affiliate links and add it on Facebook. So let's say you're on your Associate Central and you've added your link, and once you've added your link to your repertoire, you're just going to come up to Facebook. Now in your Facebook, you could have a page or you could have a business account. So basically, once we set our business account, from here on out, just go to your pages, go to any business page that you have, click on create post, or you can just come over to the Meta Business Suite, to be honest. And once you go over to the Meta Business Suite, you're going to go into all tools. Once you go into all tools, we are going to be going into post, okay? Or you could just go into ads to, just create the ad summary. And once you go into ads, just click on get started. Once you click on get started, from there you're going to create a new ad or create a new campaign and add your Amazon affiliate link under it, and it's all going to be good from there on out. So that is how you can add your Amazon affiliate links on Facebook page. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.